It's good for me to not keep a bunch of sweets around the house because I'll be the one to eat them since I'm at home all day. And anyway, so you get these coated really, really well, and then you're just gonna take your kosher salt. Ooh, you know what? I can see there not your kosher salt, your sugar mixture. So I'm gonna take that and add part of it, as you can see. And then I'm gonna coat it, stir it so they get coated. Hi, Carrie. And I'm not kidding, these really do taste better than the ones they sell at the mall. That's why my aunt requests these from me. All right. So there's a place locally here in St. George, and ooh, I'm done with that, and I'm like breathing all the cinnamon. Ooh. There's a place here in St. George where you can go buy pecans, and fresh pecans, because there's pecan trees everywhere. Here in St. George, my other aunt and uncle actually have a pecan tree in their yard. But anyway, fresh pecans, freshly picked, instead of the packaged ones at the store, you can actually taste a difference. They're softer, more moist and chewy. They're really, really good. So anyway, sometimes my aunt goes and buys them. And I don't know if I don't want to call it like a pecan farm, but there's this guy who has a house, you know, like 15 town. And anyway, he sells pecans by the pound, and you can go buy them from him. All right, just the last little bit, we're getting it coated. And this would be like a nice Christmas delivery, you know, to take to people. Because you can freeze them, you could make a whole big batch of these in advance. Hi, Josh. Long time. All right. These are almost done. Okay, and then this is how easy this is to mix up a huge batch of these. And then I'm just going to take them. I have 2 cookie sheets. So this is your standard size cookie sheet, and then I have like a giant one that I got from Walmart. And I'm gonna see if they all fit. Let me just make sure I got, you know, anything down at the bottom good. But I'm just gonna see how many I can fit on here. All right, so I have a double oven, so I can fit 2 pans going at once, but, and I think I'm going to. I'll do this pan, and you don't have to grease the cookie sheet or anything. Okay, so then you will just bake these in the oven at 250 degrees and set your timer or your Alexa. I have an Alexa in my kitchen, but set it for 250 degrees, and every 15 minutes for an hour, you just take them out of the oven and just rotate them. And they will come out, they're not, I don't want to say like they're the super hard, crunchy exterior. They're not those kind of candy pecans. They're a little bit of a softer outside of the nut. It's not like that toffee exterior. It's softer, and I like the softer exterior with the sugar and cinnamon. But it coats, because you're using the egg whites, it will actually stick to it and coat very well. So anyway, that's it. I'm just gonna pop these in the oven. Thanks for watching. Does anyone have any questions before I check out? I don't think so. Okay, thanks for watching. That's how easy that is. This is a great holiday, easy thing to deliver your friends and family. Also, I'm gonna be posting some recipes of smoky turkey brine. I also have some apple pie bites that are great for like an appetizer, or maybe like even a dessert with your family, or to make with your kids. They're really cute. Anyway, oh, and some buttery pan dinner rolls for a crowd. And it makes a huge batch. It's a great Thanksgiving recipe. It makes like 60 rolls and you mix them by hand. So anyway, I have some recipes that I'm going to be posting, so watch out for those. One more thing I wanted to share about these spiced pecans. I made these. I came up with the cutest idea ever. I think it's the cutest idea ever. I had a boy baby shower that I was hosting for someone, and for the party favors, I made these candied nuts and put them in little gift bags with a tag that said Sacco Nuts, okay? And that was the cutest party favor ever, and everybody loved them. And anyway, and so there's also that tag on my website if you're hosting a baby shower. That's a great boy party favor. So anyway, I'm going to be checking out. Thanks for watching. Hope you try this recipe out with your family. And anyway, it's delicious.